So look who is awake.
It's 8 o'clock.
So I got help now. Everything is gonna go twice as slow.
Oh.
It's not true. Finding the tools.
Is the hardest for you.
Yes, but you got really good. You know, 1/4 inch ratchet, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, no problem. Finding the torque, adjusting it. Just the really complicated stuff is hard to find. I mean, it's because I got a big mess in my toolbox here, in my tool chest, and everything is up here. So all I got to do when she looks for something, I got to say, "Well, it's all up there," and that's it. Yeah. So we're just gonna do this project, and then we'll see. So how was driving this week?
Oh, it's like a new car. It's incredible.
For 24 euros.
Yes.
You know.
And it took us 6 months to find the problem.
Well, I'm making a video, you know that.
I know.
Yeah. So
But
I mean,
we eliminated one by one. You know,
Yes,
there were many
yes.
problems. You know,
There were
but
many
that
problems.
made the biggest difference. You know.
okay. So yeah, I drove it to work, and it's a lot better. But I do think I hear the diesel engine. And that's what we're gonna try now to improve this. So what I did, I bought this insulation stuff. It's a foam, and it's basically 2 centimeters thick, and it was really cheap. It was, I think, a total of one sheet was about 7 euros, I think. And it has a sticky back to it, and what I plan on doing is just taking the two and cutting them up and putting them in here. So let's see if we can get this old broken one, if we can get this off. Well, this is pretty thick. I didn't think it's that thick. It's probably 3-4 centimeters. And boy, does that look ugly. So I don't have a real plan on how to do this, but I think it's a good idea in the first step to make some sort of a template with the least working pen I found.
I'll get you a new one.
I think I need it right away. So
that's because you don't throw the old ones out.
Yes.
You know,
and
you put them right back in again.
We don't have Sharpies.
Yeah, we don't have.
There are no
That's
Sharpies.
Aldi.
Why are there no Sharpies in Germany?
Well, we have edding, but we are too cheap to spend the money on an
Well,
edding.
edding is so expensive.
Yeah.
So.
And we don't want to spend time buying that stuff.
Next time I'm in the US,
yeah,
I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of Sharpies.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna buy that really big one.
Yeah.
And I got me different tools here. And let's see how this works. It does look like I know what I'm doing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
So I did cut this out now, just to fit in here, and I got a template, and my plan is to just put this back on, and
Oh boy.
clean this up a little bit. This is acetone, so I don't want to take the paint off. But you can see how it's rid of all of it. Now, glue this in here as a filler. Glue this in as a filler. Yeah. Because there's some elevation here. Bridge. So I try to be extra smart. So this is not bad. And now my plan is to put this in here. See if we can get a good view of this from over here maybe. Because it already does look quite pretty. Look at this. It looks quite... Doesn't matter. Not bad. Now I was just thinking about putting a second layer.
Yeah, but I need something for my keep the hood
for
open.
this.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe you can do it like that, but
No, my plan is
to put the
use
template over.
use my template.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Put this over it
And cut
and
it
then
out.
cut out
Yeah,
the
yeah.
opening. Yeah. What I don't like is this.
Well, that doesn't matter. I mean, the hood is closed, you know. Nobody cares.
So
And it's not going to melt or touch anything that gets really hot.
it's gonna melt and catch on fire, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a disaster. The insurance is not gonna pay because we screwed it all up. Smarter, and we're one step ahead. Yeah, it might actually work. And I do use a pair of scissors. I don't know when this was invented, but it's a very amazing tool.
Yeah.
Whatever that was called. It was like, oops, sorry about that.
I would do something like that.
Now remember, it was like one of these craftsmen,
Yeah.
but it had a.
Can I look for it? I might be able to find
There it is.
Yeah.
I think I never used this.
Oh boy.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Line this up, and now I'm hoping if I can actually find the hole here. It does feel like it's there. No.
Okay.
They are really short.
Ah, okay.
They all look like this. We
Yeah.
could check if we have some of these in longer.
Yeah, I check.
Okay. I mean, this is really crappy Chinese stuff. But but they are longer.
So,
These here are longer. It's in there. 2.5 hours later, and we got our hose mounted again, and we have rivets in a double layer, and all I gotta do is now cut this hole in.
oh yeah.
Actually,
You hit it right on?
not quite, but it's there. Oh, sorry,
Good
it's there.
enough.
Good. This is good enough. This is good enough. I didn't cut this quite nice, I gotta say.
Who cares?
So, project finished.
Good.
Landrover Discovery, the episode from the Wheeler Dealers. This is awesome. This is a real collector's item. I got this from my brother just now. This is my brother
we
here.
watched those.
He's a couple years older than me.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah. That's a collector's item. Yeah. So this is my brother's car here. And I think this is a quite unusual car. I don't know if it was exported out of Germany, but it's a smart roadster. It got 82 horsepower, and it has a small engine here in the back. So the engine is right behind you when you drive it. It's basically a few inches behind the seat. And it's a little roadster, and I think it's about the lowest car I know. It feels like a go-kart. And because you got this basically motorcycle engine with 800 cubic centimeters exactly in your back, it feels like you're riding in a Formula One car. It's 700? It got 700 cubic centimeters. And what's also interesting... But it weighs... This thing is 16 years old, 16 Jahre alt.
2003.
Yeah, it's 17 years old. It's built in 2003. And it's his daily driver going to work. Really amazing little car. I think this car got a certain kind of character. This is really amazing. Make sure we survive now. Jetzt bitte keinen Unfall machen. Und was braucht das Ding? 6 Liter. So 6 liter gas consumption. That's really, really good. That's like nothing. It's like a motorcycle. Oh my God. It definitely qualifies as a car with character, that's for sure. 690 kg, 85 horse, 700 cubic centimeters, turbocharged. This is really something else. 17 years old and used as a daily driver. That's really sad that Smart stopped making these. first. This is really amazing. This is something else. Oh my god. Der Opa.
Und was wolltest du wieder? Alles wieder gezogen.
Ja, ich habe ja die ganze Woche Nägel gestriegelt beim Regenkampf.
What are you doing now?
Forging a cold cut.
And it's in the water because
Because doing a differential quench on both sides of the striking end and the edge for cutting.
so it cools in the front and
Stays soft on the struck end.
okay, and the heat from the back migrates into the front. Show me that tongue you did today. Which one was it? Oh wow, it did turn out nice. So yeah, it has really thin handles. And it's for what?
Grabbing hammer flanks.
And that's why the handles are soft, so you can get them to close further. Wow, yeah,
They
it has
need to be very springy and whippy.
very springy, yeah. Yeah, that's looking awesome. How long did it take you?
7 heats.
7
About
heats,
1 hour.
1 hour. So time is measured in heats.
Yes.
Yeah, I took an hour and a half, probably more like 2 hours to install a piece of foam in the car. And in that same time you made a pair of tongs. Good. We're gonna be gone for a while. See you later.